Welcome to our video on stress-free revision. In this video, we will provide you with some useful tips for organizing your study schedule. By following these strategies, you can improve your study efficiency, reduce stress, and achieve better results in your exams. The first tip is to create a study plan. This will help you to allocate your time effectively and ensure that you cover all the necessary topics. Start by identifying the subjects or topics you need to study and allocate specific time slots to each of them. Remember to include breaks in your schedule to avoid burnout. Next, prioritize your tasks. Determine which topics or subjects require more attention and focus on those first. By prioritizing, you can ensure that you spend more time on challenging areas and allocate sufficient time for revision. Break your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks. Research suggests that studying for shorter durations but with focused concentration yields better retention and understanding of the material. Aim for 25 to 30-minute study sessions with short breaks in between to maximize productivity. To make your study time more productive, eliminate distractions. Find a quiet and comfortable place to study, turn off notifications on your phone or laptop, and let your family or roommates know that you need uninterrupted study time. This will help you stay focused and maintain a flow of concentration. There are several productivity techniques that can enhance your study experience. The Pomodoro technique, for example, involves studying for 25 minutes and taking a 5-minute break, followed by a longer break after every fourth session. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Regularly review and revise the material you have studied. This will reinforce your understanding and help you retain information for longer. Set aside dedicated time each week for revision to ensure you are constantly refreshing your knowledge. Lastly, don't forget to take breaks and relax. Giving yourself time to recharge is crucial for maintaining focus and reducing stress. Engage in activities that you enjoy during your break time, whether it's going for a walk, listening to music, or practicing mindfulness techniques. Incorporating these tips into your study routine will help you organize your study schedule and make your revision process less stressful. Remember to stay consistent and adapt these strategies to your own learning style. Good luck with your exams.